John C. Maxwell is an internationally respected leadership expert, speaker, and #1 New York Times best-selling author who has sold more than 24 million books and is the founder of Cube, a nonprofit organization that has trained more than 5 million leaders in 126 countries. To be successful, you need to learn how to really communicate with others. And the key to good communication is the ability to connect with people at every level, one-on-one, in groups, and with an audience. The good news is that even if connecting isn't something you are naturally good at today, you can learn how to do it and become better tomorrow. In his book, Everyone Communicates, Few Connect, in the first part of the book, Maxwell shares 5 principles that are foundational for understanding how to connect with people. In the second part, you will learn 5 practices that anyone can do to connect with others, regardless of age, experience, or natural ability. Learning to connect with people can change your life. You may be a teacher, a professor, an IT engineer, a construction worker, a care provider, a community leader, a pastor, a university student, maybe working in service sector, or you may be a stay-at-home mom. Communication is common among all. I'm going to start a mastermind study group based on this book, Everyone Communicates, Few Connect. It's going to be a 10-week session of 1 hour each. I encourage you to register for the mastermind and take your communication and connecting skills to the next level.